Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we're going to be making you a fun shot and a tasty shot. Tonight, we're going to be making you the polar bear shot. Okay guys, for tonight's ingredients, really simple. We're going to be using Rumple Minze, and then we're going to be using Creme De Cacao. I like to say Creme De Cacao. And these are our only two ingredients in the shot tonight. Let's get to making it. Okay, now to make our drink, we're gonna grab our mixing tin, put a little bit of ice in here. Okay, our first ingredient, good old Rumple Minze. We're gonna do a ½ ounce. Okay. We're gonna follow that by our Creme De Cacao. We're gonna do a ½ ounce. Really simple shot, guys. Only two ingredients. We're gonna shake this real good. Get it nice and cold. Move over our shot glass. Yes. All right, guys. Now for a little taste test. We're gonna put our straw in just like that. Reminds me of a cross between a peppermint patty and chocolate toothpaste. It's good, don't get me wrong. This is really good, it's refreshing. And guys, that's the Zombies Bar Polar Bear Shot. Next time you guys come into the bar, I'd love to make you one. You guys need to try this at home over the holidays. It tastes really good. If you guys like what I'm doing, man, please hit a like down in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be making drinks from here on out. Till our next video, I'll see you then. And I'm gonna say chocolate toothpaste. What the hell's a shot name?